Peace be upon all. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Quran so we can get the day off to a good start. Today we are looking at chapter 8, verse number 73. Allah says, وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, and those who do kafaru. Kafaru meaning those who cover up the truth. They cover up God's blessings. They deny God's blessings and they withhold God's blessings from others. Okay, وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بَعْضُهُمْ أَوْلِيَاءُ بَعْضٍ. Some of them are allies and protectors of each other. Okay, so this is a group of people. God is telling us there are a group of people who are together and they're undertaking kafaru. They're denying God's truth. Illa, unless, except, taf'aluhu, you act. Unless you act, let's continue. Takun, there will be fitnatun. Fitnatun meaning there will be persecution. There will be distress and hardship, affliction of pain. Fitnatun. Fil ardi, in the earth. Look at the widespread nature of this affliction across the earth. Fitnatun fil ardi. Wa fasadun kabir, and great corruption. So, God is saying that there will be a group of people, there are a group of people who are together and they're doing kafaru. And unless we act, there will be affliction across the earth of pain and corruption. So God is telling us not to be passive. He's telling us unless we are active, we're actively working against kafaru and we are striving in God's path, we will experience this. Now, let us reflect on the current state of the world. Are we not seeing widespread corruption and fitnatun, persecution and distress and hardship? So we must think, are we acting? Or are we being very passive and letting this group of people who are together undertake their kafaru? Have a great day. Peace.